Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. So today we are going to explore this resale home. We're going to dive right into it. We are going to do a full extensive review on this home, give you my thoughts. So we are located right off of Maryland Parkway in Bermuda. We are probably about 15 minutes to McCarran International, about 3 blocks off the famous Las Vegas Boulevard. This community that you see here, this is a gated community. As you enter the gates, you'll see that they have a nice pool. This is a corner lot. Now, some of these homes will have a deeper driveway. Some of these you won't. As you go down there, it's a little bit narrow. But on these ones, you have a little more of a deeper driveway. So this home right here is 1,836 square feet, 3 bedrooms, loft, total 3 toilets. Was built in 2015. I think this would be a great starter home. So let's dive right into it. Let's see exactly what's going on with this home. So the exterior of this home looks like it's been painted. So the flooring here, these are actually aftermarket floorings. Don't mind the smoke detectors there. It's going off because it's indicating it's running out of batteries. Right here would be your TV. You definitely need to do the paint here, that's for sure, some touch-up paint. You have a 4-inch straight edge on the baseboards. You have your aftermarket chandelier. And I have a rock. This is annoying me. There we go. So here would be another main living. What's funny is I sold a house exactly the same floor plan. All brand new kitchen cabinets. You got the quartz countertops or the Pkwy. These are the full European overlays. I believe these are what, 36-inch cabinets here. The appliances, washer and dryer is not included, and the refrigerator, but is also negotiable. Typically, listing agents don't like to add that into the listing. They will go ahead and use that as leverage as far as the negotiations with the washer and dryer. Coming into the 2-car garage, this is a very deep 2-car garage, and you got 2 feet spans on each side. This home was built originally with the washer and the dryer inside the garage. Okay, let's make our way back in. You have orange peel texture. You have a nice floating vanity here. HOAs, $81 a month, which is not bad. Let's make our way out to the back. Oh, this backyard's a little like my backyard. Did a good job on the exterior here. Definitely just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. See what we have here. Okay. Nice. Let's make our way back in. I know I didn't mention the lot size. It's about 3,100 square feet. Let's make our way upstairs. The hand railing looks like the coating on it is starting to peel off. Carpets definitely shampoo for me. I'd probably just replace them. Don't like the color brown for all the people that know my personality and taste. So we make our way upstairs. The steep stairs, as you can tell, I'm already out of breath. So we got a loft there, bedroom, bathroom, then the primary. Let's make our way into the primary first. 15 by 11, not bad, decent size. Looks like you got 12-foot vaulted ceilings with a nice pitch down to about 10 feet. Okay. There's no light in here. Make our way back this way. As you can see, we have a closet. You walk in. A lot better than mine. Now they did the floating vanity here. I love that sparkle on that countertop. So this is a aftermarket. The original tub here was probably a large jacuzzi tub. So basically they ordered this tub, right? But it didn't fit the framing, so they had to reframe it out. That's the reason why they have this little bench that goes all the way across. I probably would have moved this tub flush with the wall, then moved the plumbing lines right on over here. Then I would have added a nice soap box, right? Or make one large one all the way across. That would have been cool. And I probably would have tiled all of this. But again, that's just my personal opinion. Again, I'm just some guy randomly on YouTube making video tours. Oh wow, look at this. So it looks like there's some additional parking here. I'm not too sure if this is part of the neighborhood. I would like to say yes. I think so. So this does look like part of the neighborhood. So it looks like you can park certain vehicles, RVs and stuff like that. That's cool. It's really nice when you have a community that does something like that. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. A single sink with 3 bedrooms and a loft. You guys know how much a critic I am when there's only 1 sink for 2 bedrooms. But, I mean, what are you going to do? The bathroom here is a little bit small. Let's hit the second bedroom. I mean, overall, this property, all you need is really elbow grease, cleaning, paint, carpet, and that's pretty much it. All the most expensive stuff is already done. Look at this, you're getting the 6-panel door on here. Let's take a look at this bedroom. If you guys want more information about this property, I will have it linked in the description below. In addition to that, I will also add the link in the comments too as well. Make it very easy for you guys to find. Get all the information that you need. Let's go take a look at this loft area. Look how large this loft is. TV and all that stuff is going to go there. Like I mentioned before, HOAs are $81 a month. Curious to know if you can see yourselves living here. Let's turn off these lights as I go downstairs. Turn off this one too. Turn off the fan. Come back into the bathroom. One more go around. Getting you guys all dizzy here, because that's what I do. I definitely need to change the batteries for sure. I remember when I first moved into my first bank-owned property. Bought it directly from the bank. And I was so excited. The utilities wasn't turned on. It was my first home. Me and Jessica, we stayed in the home. We got, I think it was like a, I don't know if we had like a blow-up mattress or something. But that day we didn't have electricity because electricity was going to kick on the next day. But I was so excited. I just remember that feeling. And, you know, after that purchase, I think it was for the past maybe about a week, 2 weeks, I would literally sit in front of the house just like this as my wife would come home about 5:30 as the sun is setting. Temperatures around like 75 degrees, just admiring the home that I bought. It was such a big accomplishment. I remember that feeling like it was yesterday. If you guys are thinking about purchasing a home, let me know in the comments below. We definitely love the opportunity to earn your business, no matter if you're buying a $50,000 home or a $4, $5, $20 million home. Service is all the same. Look, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed, folks. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a great day. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.